SCG first finds the world's toughest races, like the 24 Hours of Le Mans, and then it crafts cars capable of participating in these races. These cars are later adapted into versions suitable for regular roads and everyday customers. One outcome of SCG's efforts is called Boot. Do you know what Top Gear thinks about this buggy? They said, "From an entertainment point of view, it's one of the best cars we've ever driven." Boot comes in both 2- and 4-door versions, featuring independent suspension with 45.7 cm of travel on all wheels. The base engine packs a punch with 460 horsepower, but if you want more, there's a 650 horsepower variant. The buggy with this powerful engine will set you back about $300,000. Is this a scooter or an ATV? Well, it's a bit of both. This unique electric vehicle called the Steinadler can handle a load of 275 kilograms and boasts a ground clearance of 180 millimeters. Take it off-road and you can hit speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour while covering a substantial distance of 95 kilometers on a single charge. Its patented suspension system comes with both soft and hard settings. Plus, the company designs and manufactures 85% of the platform components, making maintenance a breeze. You can buy the all-wheel drive version of the Steinadler for $5,505. Back in 2017, Metal Shark surprised everyone with the Swamp Shark Drive propulsion system, which turned out to be a hit. It was so successful that Metal Shark suggested using it in military applications. The key to its popularity is the unique combination of a propeller, a stabilization system, and a cooling system. Boats with Swamp Shark Drive can navigate through heavily overgrown shallow water and swampy terrain. The system can handle up to 550 horsepower and nearly 1,700 Nm of torque. Unlike water jet systems, Swamp Shark Drive doesn't need messing around with air intake cleaning. Plus, if it collides with something like a log, the propeller bounces without getting damaged. Meet the Rheinmetall Mission Master, a family of autonomous all-terrain vehicles crafted for military applications. These vehicles are designed for various scenarios, including fire support, reconnaissance, and aiding in the evacuation of the wounded. The video showcases tests of the XT model in Finland, capable of hauling a ton of cargo. With a single refueling, it covers an impressive 750 kilometers. The Path system takes charge of driving in unmanned mode, enabling features like a Follow Me mode. Even if equipped with weapon modules, the vehicle won't open fire without operator authorization. Meet Widescape, the world's first stand-up snowmobile, at least according to its makers. They encourage customers to channel their inner explorer and enjoy a new riding experience by standing up on the Widescape. To get started, you'll need to pay $8,899 for the WS250 model. Surprisingly, it weighs only 91 kilograms, and its width allows you to fit 2 of them in a pickup truck. Thanks to the 20 horsepower engine, it can reach speeds of 65 kilometers per hour. Plus, riding this snowmobile is a breeze. It takes just 15 minutes to get the hang of it. Now, this Lamborghini Huracan is not just about showcasing the V10 engine power, but also embracing a rally character with its unique modification named Sterato, which means dirt road in Italian. This version is tailored for off-road adventures, requiring serious modifications to the suspension. The car's ground clearance sees a boost of 44mm. The Starato is equipped with an all-wheel drive and the LDVI system, aiding control by automatically adjusting shock absorbers and the anti-skid system. It swaps its usual Pirelli asphalt tyres for versatile Bridgestones, allowing a speed of 80 km/h even with a puncture. Thanks to the 610 horsepower engine, it reaches a top speed of 260 km/h. To get your hands on the Starato, you'll have to pay $287,000. Last August, off-road enthusiasts got to enjoy a video featuring the latest Burlak ATV. This 8-wheeled vehicle is geared up for action, even in the Arctic zone. It catches the eye not just with its 8x8 wheel setup, but also with a cruising speed of 70 km/h and an impressive ground clearance of up to 800mm. With full tanks, Burlak can cover distances ranging from 2,000 to 5,000 kilometers. For comfort on these lengthy journeys, the manufacturers have thrown in some features reminiscent of an RV. The Burlak cabin is spacious enough to live in, complete with a kitchen and a bathroom. And there's ample room for 9 people. Where there's a McDonald's, you'll likely find a Burger King. The same happens in the world of all-terrain vehicles. Where there's a Sherp, there's always something similar. In today's video, we've got the Atrina ATV. The manufacturers claim it's a completely new setup built on innovative solutions. Specifically, they mention 2 independent boat frames with hydraulic drive and a patented mechanism allowing adaptation of the frame shape and angle to different conditions. The vehicle hits speeds of up to 50 km/h, carrying a load of up to a ton and accommodating 10 people. The optional features range from a winch to beds. The Atrina starts at about $7,800. When it comes to all-terrain vehicles, things are pretty straightforward. But is it possible to build an airplane with high cross-country ability? Not only is it possible, but it's necessary. These airplanes are known as bush planes and stand out from their regular counterparts for a few distinctive features. Firstly, they sport large, low-pressure wheels. Secondly, a defining characteristic is their foldable wings, allowing pilots to land at an ultra-low speed of about 18 km/h. Takeoff and landing require a straight line of just 107 meters. Bush planes are so versatile that you can even spot them in Antarctica, not just for cargo, but also passenger transportation. If you keep upgrading your bicycle, you might end up with something like this. It's got 3 wheels and an electric motor, and is ready for off-road adventures. Deekers is the brand behind these bikes. Their specialists consider each customer's preferences and suggest the most optimal components. Take the Deekers Hunter model for instance. You can choose motors up to 1.5 kilowatts and a battery allowing for a 100-kilometer ride. Stick with the initial Shimano Alivio group set and you'll have 27 speeds at your disposal. The outcome's a quiet yet powerful trike that blends comfort with the thrill of long trails. Spitsbergen Travel found the perfect transport solution for taking tourists around the Svalbard archipelago, the TL6 Universal Tracked Platform. They added a special module, and now it comfortably accommodates groups of up to 24 people, including a guide and driver. Keep in mind the speed is capped at 50 km/h, but that just means everyone gets to soak in the beauty of the local landscapes. Interestingly, you can build a customized vehicle based on the same TL6 platform. And the Hägglunds BV206 tracked carrier can be used for maintaining wind turbines without worrying about getting stuck in the snow. Ever watched Terminator? Well, robot tanks are a reality now. Textron Systems is offering a look at the capabilities of the Ripsaw M5. One version of this unmanned tank can reach speeds of about 100 km per hour and deploy two types of UVs, flying and ground ones. The weapon choices are tailored to the customer preferences, with options like the M5 version featuring an automatic 30mm Cannon Mark 44 Bushmaster II. Other choices include the Javelin anti-tank system and the Crow's J grenade launcher. To amp up surveillance, the tank system comes with AI algorithms. Tactic ATV's website greets visitors with the tagline, "Roads are no longer needed." These vehicles fall into the XTV class, or Extreme Terrain Vehicle, meaning they can tackle almost any terrain. Take the Tactic Expert model, for instance, with its 4x4 wheel setup and a 55 horsepower engine. It might sound modest compared to the Starato, but can the Italian supercar handle snow drifts and swamps while swimming at 5 km per hour? Plus, this ATV can carry a hefty payload of 600 kilograms. The Tactic Expert can be yours for $20,600. Hydratec is focused on helping those who need to reach challenging spots. Their all-terrain vehicles are used by farmers, rescue teams, and powerline maintenance workers, among others. Take the basic CM66 model, for instance. It can transport 5 people and haul up to 1,360 kilograms of cargo. It's worth noting that the CM66 can even navigate through water, a feature shared with the more robust D2488B. Interestingly, the latter performed well during Hurricanes Joaquin and Harvey, thanks to its 115 horsepower engine that enables towing up to 4,500 kilograms. Customers can alter their vehicle with options like seats for 8 people, a hydraulic winch, emergency lighting, and more. The CM66 model is priced at $62,000, while the D2488B costs around $70,000. The company behind the Falcon snowmobile put in a solid effort. They successfully merged the functionalities of utility models with the comfort found in tourist models. In its standard form, the snowmobile comes with heated handlebars. Customers can pick from a range of engines, offering power between 20 to 30 horsepower based on their needs. The vehicle's dashboard is digital, and it comes with an electric starter in its standard version. The front suspension allows for precise adjustments to the ski alignment, ensuring excellent control. You can get this snowmobile for $4,838. Wrapping up our selection is a curious little car known as the Cruiser Sport. Surprisingly, the creators also designed an off-road version, featuring robust wheels and reaching a top speed of about 56 km per hour. This electric car can cover a range of up to 129 km, depending on the battery. Plus, it comes with a stereo system, so you can cruise around enjoying the wind in your hair and your favorite tunes.